The 4 focus areas to achieve ultimate success as a digital course creator. To achieve ultimate success as a digital course creator, it's essential to focus on 4 key areas. Content quality and value. Develop high quality, valuable content that addresses your target audience's needs, interests, and pain points. Ensure your course content is well structured, engaging, and easy to understand. Continuously update and improve your course materials based on feedback and evolving industry trends. Marketing and promotion. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy to reach and attract your target audience. Utilize various promotional channels and tactics, including email marketing, social media, content marketing, partnerships, and advertising. Tailor your messaging and strategies to resonate with your audience and differentiate your course from competitors. Engagement and support. Foster engagement and interaction with your students throughout their learning journey. Provide opportunities for discussion, collaboration, and feedback to enhance the learning experience. Offer exceptional customer support to address any issues or concerns promptly and ensure student satisfaction. Business management and growth. Develop a solid business plan and revenue model for your digital course business. Monitor key metrics such as enrollment numbers, conversion rates, revenue, and student satisfaction to track your progress and identify areas for improvement. Invest in your professional development and stay updated on industry trends, best practices, and emerging technologies to remain competitive and continue growing your business. By focusing on these 4 areas: content quality and value, marketing and promotion, engagement and support, and business management and growth, you can maximize your chances of achieving ultimate success as a digital course creator.